Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to the free video tonight, Simpler Futures, and this is for tomorrow, Tuesday's trade, May 16. We have been trading predominantly sideways now for just weeks, right around this 23.85.7 area, right in this. I mean, it's just been amazing. And you know, as you can see, we traded a little higher, we traded a little lower at the end of last week, and now a little bit higher today. This was not really terribly convincing to me today. We were looking for higher today. We talked about this in the room latter part of last week, and but it's not really convincing up here, and we leave a little shadow on the top. Tomorrow is Tuesday. We've often dubbed it, you know, Turnaround Tuesday, and you know, it's kind of a tough thing. Plus, we've got a lot on the calendar this week. It's a kind of a news filled but yet staggered throughout the week series of events this week. At the end of the week, we have the options expiration. All that said, and looking at the calendar, I would actually I'd look for a little pullback tomorrow. I don't like the way this traded up today. I don't like the way the NASDAQ was kind of lagging behind the Dow and the S&P today. The NASDAQ was up 0.2%. S&P and Dow were up 0.4%. Not that that's a big difference, but I'm looking for a little bit more uptick in the treasuries, which often equates to a little bit of a pullback in the stocks. I've been wrong before. I'll be wrong again, but this is what I'm looking for. So, to look forward, you know, into the week. Don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves, but at least tomorrow I'll be looking for a little pullback. Maybe even Wednesday on the news, on the calendar, looking at the calendar. And then it is pretty common that we then trade higher into the expiration. And so if we do get a little pullback today, you know, don't view it as like the end of the world, maybe even Wednesday, and then we start trading sideways to higher into the expiration at the end of the week. That's what I've got. That's what I'm thinking. I'll hop over into the premium video and look over there. We had some big news in a few things today. Gold was moving all around today. Crude on a Russian-Saudi proposal that takes the production cuts into first quarter of next year, but we need to look at that and talk about it. So there's a few things going on. I'm going to get over there and discuss. For the indices, this is my plan. You guys have good trading, and until I'm with you again, I'll look forward to seeing you then. Good night.